I have recently had a series of revelations about going to the doctor that I want to share in case they resonate with anyone. I used to be so afraid to go to the doctor because I was afraid of the doctor judging me. There's all kinds of fear associated with it, but honestly, the biggest fear was just that I was going to go in there and the doctor's going to be like, "You're stupid and fat and ugly. You should have known that before you got here." But I just had this realization really. I just had this really. I just had this realization recently that, like, when I go to the doctor, I'm paying the doctor to be there. That's how that relationship works. So actually, I'm in the power position. It's amazing. This whole time I felt like, and maybe this is just like a relic of childhood, but the whole time felt like the doctor is in the position of power. And I'm like, no, bitch, I pay you. So if I go to the doctor and I feel judged by the doctor, I'm like, that's cute. So actually what I really need from you is just useful information, or else I don't have need for your services. It doesn't have to be hateful like that. It can literally just be like, I mean, are you done? Like, you can judge me on your own time. Like, I would much rather just get my diagnosis, actually get very helpful information that allows me to live a healthy life. That's why I'm here. I'm not here to feel your judgment. I'm here to get better and feel good about myself. So if you're going to the doctor today and you need a reminder, you own that bitch. You pay them, not the other way around.